Hello guys, do you want to learn how to clone yourself like this video you're seeing here? If you don't know how to clone yourself or you've not even attempted cloning yourself before, this video is what you want to watch. I'm going to be sharing with you a tutorial, step-by-step tutorial on how to clone yourself. This is easy and simple, so make sure you watch this video carefully all the way through. So guys, this tutorial is beginner friendly. Like if you've not cloned yourself before, just make sure that you carefully watch this video. So to clone yourself, you're going to be using CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, you download CapCut, then go to CapCut, you tap to open. So once you open CapCut, you go to new project, you tap to open. You are going to choose the footage. So the tip here is to make sure that you're filming yourself at one corner, like you don't stand in the middle of the video. We are cloning ourselves into two, where I'm conversing with myself. Cloning yourself means making yourself into two, so you just have to be creative about it, right? So you're going to record yourself in two different videos, and also make sure that the footages are of the same duration to get a perfect result. Now, as you guys can see here, I have two different footage I'm going to import, right? The first one is of the same duration with the second one. As you guys can see, 28 seconds, 28 seconds. So let me import the first clip or the first footage. You tap. This is the first footage. As you guys can see, I'm at one corner of this footage. So make sure that you're filming at one corner. So I'll go to add. This is my first footage, right? Go to overlay. You tap on overlay, then you tap on add overlay, then you go to the second one. So this is the second footage where I'll be at the other side. Tap on it, go to add. So as you guys can see, I've added the other one. Make it to be of the same size with the other one. Okay, drag it like this to measure up with the main video, right? Make sure that the overlay clip is highlighted like this. So this is the overlay, the down one is the overlay, and the up one is the main video. So make sure that the overlay is highlighted like this. Then you look for mask, go to mask. As you guys can see, we have mask here. You tap on mask, then you go to horizontal. You tap on horizontal. So once you tap on horizontal, you're going to see something like this. So all we need to do is to drag it up like clockwise, okay? Clockwise to reveal the other part of each of the clips. So just with your finger, take it this way, clockwise, okay, like this. As you do it, it will be revealing each clip. So as you guys can see, make sure that this is in the middle, that you're seeing the different parts of the footage. So once that is done, the next thing you're going to do is to touch this, to blend it, to drag it a little bit back to blend, because if you leave it like this, you're going to see a mark. It will leave a mark, so we don't want the mark here. So let me show you an example. If I leave it like this, you're going to see a mark. If I leave it like this, hope you guys are seeing this mark. We don't want this mark. So to eliminate this mark, okay, tap on mask. Then you're going to drag this all the way back to blend it in. So all the way back to blend this in. Good. So let me tap on this. If I tap on this now, so you guys can see the mark, the demarcation has disappeared because of that effect. You play the video and that is all. So as you guys can see, the video is playing. So you just have to be creative about it. Just follow the process. That is just the simple way you can clone yourself. So once that is done, you go to this export, then you export your video, and there you have it. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day, and bye for now.